Hi there! In this video, we will be learning about productivity. Previously, we have learned about the difference between manufacturing and non-manufacturing productivity, their importance, and ways to measure them. In this video, we will discover ways to improve productivity. Firstly, productivity can be increased by upskilling employees. Employees who are skilled and knowledgeable make fewer mistakes, deliver to a higher standard, and thus are the productive ones. This can be achieved through a commitment to training and development activities. Secondly, companies need to invest in maintenance. Maintaining an organization's physical assets, its equipment, plant, or facilities helps maximize their lifespan, reduce downtime, and improve quality and efficiency. An effective program of enterprise asset management will reap measurable productivity dividends. Thirdly, companies need to review workflow of its employees. Reviewing every process and step that is needed to get a product to the customer is essential to understanding where productivity can be improved. Workflow review should be an ongoing exercise that results in continuous improvement. As a follow-up, fourthly, companies should allocate the time spent by the members wisely. One of the ways to help allocate time is by cutting down on unnecessary emails. Emailing takes up a lot of time that could be otherwise spent productively. Encourage your team to block out set times for responding to emails and keep them precise and straightforward. Flexible hours should also be allowed. The traditional 9 to 5 might not suit everyone. Hence, while the key production staff may need to be on the shop floor at set times, consider who will work better on a flexible basis. Time can also be allocated wisely by minimizing meetings. Hold only essential meetings and ensure only the right people are attending so staff can spend time more productively. Fifth, communicate among members effectively through teamwork. Great teamwork happens by design, so create opportunities for team members to get to know and trust each other. Effective communication can also be created by finding what method of communication works best. How does each team respond best? It might be in person, instant messaging, or by email. Sixth, foster a good workplace culture. A strong people and culture team does wonders for employees' productivity. The role of management starts by hiring people with the right attributes and attitudes, conducting training and development, and keeping staff morale high. A firm with unhappy employees will always struggle with productivity. Last but not least, productivity can also be improved by reducing waste through lean improvement activities. Waste is any expense or effort that does not transform an initial product or service to a finished product or service. By optimizing processes and eliminating waste, businesses can add value to each phase of production and services. According to Taiji Ono, the founder of Toyota Production System or TPS, waste that needs to be eliminated can be categorized into 7 types of waste, which are overproduction, inventory, unnecessary motion, defects, overprocessing, waiting time, and unnecessary transportation. Congratulations! You have learned about the many ways to improve productivity. Thank you for your attention throughout the lesson. Well done! You now have completed the micro-learning series of productivity lesson.